associated with Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, working as an associate professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have been nominated for ASTF Awards 2021. Now I am presenting myself here. Based on my educational qualification, I completed my BE in ECE from Maharaja Engineering College, Avinashi, Coimbatore, affiliated under Bharatiyar University at the year of 2004. And I completed my MTech from SRM University, and my specialization is VLSI design. I was awarded at the year of 2010. And I completed my PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, from VLSI again. My thesis is on investigation on delay and power minimization in interconnects in 90 nanometer CMOS VLSI on-chip interconnects. I was awarded from Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences at the year of 2019. In my teaching experience, so I have 13 years of teaching experience. So in this 13 years, I worked various institutions. I worked in 2 deemed universities and other colleges also. So teaching is my passion. So that's why I selected this field. My love is to take class on the dais. I want to make my children to understand all the concepts, and I want to make my children to be happy in their subjects. So whatever teaching by me. I completed some courses also as well. I published 28 journals. So in that 28 journals, I published my journals in SCI Index. I published my journal in Scopus Index, as well as I attended 4 national and international conferences till now. And I guided nearly 38 students, PG students and UG students, and they completed their project work, and many of the students are working in reputed institutions as well as good software companies like Wipro, Tech Mahindra, TCS, CTS and all. So wherever my children are there, the thing is, I achieved something in my life. So whenever I'm seeing my children, seeing my students who are all in a good position, the thing is, I'm achieving every day. So once I'm taking a class, so not only taking a class, the thing is, I'm learning from my students as well as I'm trying to share my knowledge with my students. So teacher should have to tune the student. So as per my part, so I have to tune my students and I have to give the lecture to my students, not only to get the marks, so more than that for their career. So till now, I'm so happy in my institution. Not only this institution, wherever I'm working, I'm so happy in the institution. The reason is because of my students. So I want to grow in my career, not only for my growth, for my children's growth also. So I'm happy to present myself here as a nominee for the ASDF Awards, and I'm so happy to present myself here. I started my career at 2004. I worked as a lecturer in Sasuri College of Engineering, Vijayamangalam. So later on, I continued my career from MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. For 2 years I worked there. There I learned more. So later on, I shifted to Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences, that is Savita School of Engineering, and I worked there more than 8 years. So currently I am working in Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. So I work various institutions as well as I taught to various students, including South Indian, North Indian, it may be anything. But student is a student. And I published 2 patents. So the 2 patents are I published, one with my Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation faculties, and one with the professor Dr. Saravanan V, working in Ethiopia University. And I achieved more awards. I achieved more awards. So the awards are as a cash award, as a certificates, as my excellence teaching in my current university. So till now I achieved 3 cash awards, in the way that I presented 100% result. So I presented 100% result in TSP. So I received the cash award from Savita School of Engineering when I worked at 2007. So later on, I got the cash award from LBJ College of Engineering at 2006. I completed my students to secure 100% result in basic electronics, and I received more cash award for publishing the papers and journals in Savita School of Engineering. So in my current institution, Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, for 4 times I received an Excellence Teaching Award for my core subjects like analog, electronics, other things and all. And I completed many courses from Coursera and I secured good mark in that too. And I was a convener for Women's Forum. So for the Women's Forum, I was a convener. So in such a way that twice I conducted Women's Forum on March 8, 2020 as well as March 8, 2019. So in this way, I am growing in my career as well as I am trying to grow to my children also. So in such a way that I hope I was satisfied that I am achieving a more. Satisfaction is not more, but I am okay with my level. But I am trying to increase my satisfaction level more. So once I satisfied, automatically my growth will be stopped. So I don't want to satisfy myself more, but every day I am trying to satisfy myself. So I hope my presentation about me may be good for you. So I am thanking you all who listen my presentation. Thank you so much.